Hi everyone, welcome again to Web Wonks walkthrough videos. Another short topic about Google Ads certification that we can talk about is what to expect when taking the exams, the types of exams available, and how long do they take. Let's start with the types of exams available. So Google offers different certification exams, each tied to a different area of Google Ads. Let's say search campaign or search certification. The test focuses on keywords, bidding, and search campaigns. Now, when it comes to format and time, the exams are mostly multiple choice or scenario based, has about 50 number of questions. The minimum passing should be 80%, and the time limit is uh, you have an hour and 15 to complete the exam. Just remember that you'll need to complete the exam in one sitting. Otherwise, you lose the time and you have to retake it. Now, let's have a look at display campaign. Also, 49 number of questions. It focuses mostly on display ads and audience targeting. Minimum passing score also 80%. And let's have a look at the time limit. Yeah, so it's the same. You have an hour and 15 to complete the test. You have to complete the test in one sitting again. Otherwise, you lose the time and you'll have to retake it. Let's have a look at video certification. So same thing, 80% passing score, 50 number of questions. Let's have a look at the time limit. All right. Also the same, an hour and 15 minutes to complete the exam in one sitting. Let's have a look at Google Apps certification. So this one, it's just about 12 number of questions. You have to get the right answers because the minimum passing score is 100% and the time limit, so no time limit, but if you leave or close the tab, then you'll have to retake it. Now, what happens if you don't pass? Actually, you don't have to worry if you don't pass the first time because you can retake the exam after 24 hours. You can also try as many times as needed until you pass. So remember, these certifications are free, they're valid for a year, and again, is a great way to showcase your expertise and credibility of your business. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to check out WebWong's topics for more tips on Google Ads.